The Japanese particle de can also indicate the material of which an object is made. Let's look at some example sentences. おばあちゃんはおじいちゃんの血肉で新しい体を作った。おばあちゃんはおじいちゃんの血肉で新しい体を作った。Grandma created a new body out of Grandpa's flesh and blood. In this sentence, the particle de follows the noun phrase おじいちゃんの血肉 Grandpa's flesh and blood. And this particle phrase modifies the verb phrase 作った created, so it shows the ingredients of Grandma's new body. シンデレラはガラスでできた靴を履いたら靴が割れて怪我をした。シンデレラはガラスでできた靴を履いたら靴が割れて怪我をした。Cinderella put on shoes made of glass, but the shoes broke, and she got injured. In this sentence, de follows the noun ガラス glass. It is used in the phrase 何々でできた, which is a very common expression for indicating the material of an object. This phrase modifies the noun 靴 shoes. 何々でできた can often be replaced with the particle の which can also express what an object is made of, as in ガラスの靴 glass shoes. This is the end of this episode. See you next time.